Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm on a mission to find the best arepas in Medellin. Okay, so I just looked up arepa on Google and this is what it says. An arepa is a type of food made of ground maize dough originating from the northern region of South America in pre-Columbian times and is notable primarily in the cuisines of Colombia and Venezuela, but also present in the cuisines of Bolivia and other countries. So I want to try 3 different restaurants here in Medellin today. So I'm just going to Google the best arepas in Medellin and see what we find. So this is the first thing that comes up. Los Chamos Arepas Venezolanos y Algo Más. So it's open, it has over 1,421 reviews, which is great. And 4.6 stars, so that sounds good. We'll probably go here. So we have Lucho Arepas, and it is 4.5 stars and 327 reviews, so that looks pretty good. It's also in the same region, so screenshot that, and that's where we'll be going. I also made a post on Facebook, so let's see what they have to say. This lady is saying, in Laureles there's a place called Tupai. Also in Laureles, Los Chamos, which is the one that we were talking about. This lady here is agreeing and saying we should try meat lover, Palua. Also Reina Papiada is possibly everyone's favorite. I'm going to screenshot that. This lady is saying, don't forget to try an arepa de chocolate con queso. That is with cheese. I'm not sure about chocolate and cheese, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna look up tepui, I don't know how to pronounce that, and see what that is. So that's 4.6 and has 559 reviews, so that's actually better, and it is open. Okay, so it seems that Los Chamos Arepas is the highest rated and the most reviewed, so we might go there first. And then Tepui Sabores Venezuela is the second with 4.6 stars and 559 reviews. So we'll go there second. And Lucho Arepas is 4.5 stars and 327 reviews. So we'll go there last. So now that we've got our plan, come along with me. We went to Los Chamos first in the Laureles neighborhood. I loved the menu, didn't have too many options, and they had pictures as well. They had all different types of fresh juices and alcohol as well. I ordered the Papillon, which is one of the suggestions from the Facebook post. So the filling is beef and cheese. I also chose the maracuja juice and it was so delicious. He gave us 4 different sauces, which was great as well. I tried it and oh my god, it was so delicious and so warm still. The garlic and corn sauces were delicious. The next place was in the same neighborhood and only a 4-minute walk away. This place was in such a cute location and we sat on the balcony. The menu was super long and had so many options. And everything was Venezuelan. I chose the Reina Papiada, which is another one the lady suggested on Facebook. It was made up of a cold chicken salad, mayonnaise, and avocado. I also chose a red berries smoothie. And wow, it was so delicious. Super sweet, but I am definitely a sweet tooth. The arepa was nicely presented and came with a sauce as well. I took my first bite and for me it was a little bit too wet and heavy because of the mayonnaise. We were supposed to go to Lucho Arepas, but it was apparently closed. So we found a place close by, Famosa Arepa de Chocolate, and that was only a 6-minute walk away. The menu was interesting, to say the least. It had mostly arepas with cheese and meat, but I just chose a plain one with cheese and also one with condensed milk. I thought chocolate was chocolate, so I was definitely expecting something sweet. The first one was a little bit bland, but I didn't mind the taste too much. But the second one, I don't know why, but she actually put cheese with the condensed milk, and it was a very interesting combination. Definitely not for me. Hey guys, so we got back a few hours ago. I just wanted to go through all the restaurants and rate them out of 5 stars. So we'll start with the first one, which was Los Chamos. And I give that a 5 out of 5 stars. That was amazing. It was so tasty, so delicious. It came out hot and it came out super quick as well. I will say that it was a little bit hard to eat and they didn't give us a knife, which would have helped for sure. I would say be aware of peak times, because when we went it was not that busy, but I can only imagine what it's like at dinner time and lunchtime. So that one was definitely my favourites. It's definitely a winner, but I will go through the other 2. So the next place was Tepa? I don't know, I cannot pronounce that, but that one is a 3.5 stars out of 5. Had a really nice menu and all different types of food, and the drinks were awesome. And when the drink came out, it was amazing. Probably one of the best drinks I've actually ever had. So when the arepa came out, it looked really delicious. The avo was really fresh, the bread was really soft. It was a little bit too creamy and heavy for my taste. The seats were a little bit uncomfortable and it was a little bit more pricey than the first place. So for the last place, we were going to go to Lacho Arepas. So we went to Famosa Arepa de Chocolate, and I thought this was going to be chocolate arepas, but it turns out it does not mean chocolate. The place was really small and cute, but it was on the main road, so it was really loud during peak time. They had really cheap prices and a good menu with pictures, but I did think it was going to be chocolate, and it came out with condensed milk and cheese. Not my style. So to conclude, Famosa Arepa gets a 2.5 out of 5 for me, just because it's definitely not my taste. That's all the places I went to. Los Chamos was definitely the best. It was so delicious and I'm definitely going to be back there. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!